Survivors of the 2018 deadly mass shooting in Parkland, Florida, are proposing bold action to reduce gun violence. The so-called Peace Plan for a Safer America would create a national gun registry, ban assault weapons, and implement a mandatory gun buyback program. It would also include a longer process to obtain a license and raise the age to purchase a gun to 21. The initiative is being led by March for Our Lives, a group of former Parkland students who have turned to promoting gun reform in the wake of last year's mass shooting at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School. The group has organized rallies across the globe to support gun control and to increase voter registration among young people. At least one presidential candidate is on board with the plan, former Texas Congressman Beto O'Rourke. He's been outspoken on gun control since this month's mass shooting in his hometown of El Paso, which killed 22 people. On Twitter this morning, O'Rourke said he supports the Peace Plan for a Safer America. He's also calling on his fellow Democratic candidates to support the proposal.